Hola, ¿cómo estás? Welcome to the touring experience. Mi nombre es Alan, and I'm honored to be your Spanish teacher. Today we have a gift for you, to thank you for being here and to encourage you to keep creating your own amazing touring experiences. We've put together a mini phrasebook called Essential Spanish Travel Words and Phrases. It's obviously focused on Spanish for travel, but it's also the best way for anyone to start learning the language. As you can see, it's a beautiful cheat sheet. You download the PDF file and you can print it or read it on your phone, computer, tablet, ebook, etc. And the best part is that it also comes with an audio companion recorded professionally by a native Spanish speaker. 12 mp3 tracks that you can listen to anywhere on any device. To download our mini phrasebook for free, just click on the link in the description below or visit our website at thetouringexperience.com. You might be wondering why we're giving this away for free. Are there any strings attached? Nope. We just want to make sure that no matter who you are or where you are, you can start learning Spanish today. But didn't it take us weeks to prepare, record, produce, and put everything together? Yes, indeed. And that's why you can thank us by donating through our website. Your donations enable us to keep making quality content for everyone. Don't worry if you don't have the money. You can also support us by liking our videos and sharing them with your friends. And even if you just download a guide without liking, sharing, or donating anything, that's totally okay. We just want you to learn something new and hopefully to help you improve another area of your life. First, click the link in the description below to go to our website. Then tell us where to send your free mini phrasebook. Now check your inbox to confirm your email. Once you click on the activation link, you'll receive our welcome email with a download link. You'll be directed to a VIP section of our website, where you can donate to support us, and where you'll find your free downloads. You can download everything in one zip file, or each file individually. In case you don't see your emails, check your spam folder, or folders such as promotions. Sometimes your email filters broadcasts away from your main inbox, so drag our email to your priority inbox. You don't want to miss any of our free lessons. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for weekly Spanish lessons, travel videos and tips, cultural information, and more. Gracias y hasta la próxima semana.